Best Practices for Axie Infinity. Axie Movesets Explained is a comprehensive guide to help players master the game by creating effective movesets for their Axies. The first step is to understand the different types of moves and their characteristics, including damage, speed, and energy consumption. Players should consider the Axie's class, attributes, and playstyle when selecting moves. For example, a plant Axie excels at healing and shielding, while a reptile Axie is better suited for dealing damage. The next step is to balance the moveset, ensuring a mix of high damage, low energy moves and low damage, high energy moves. This balance is crucial to maintaining a steady energy level throughout the battle. Players should also prioritize moves that synergize with each other, creating powerful combos and increasing overall damage output. For instance, a move that applies a debuff can be followed by a move that deals increased damage to debuffed targets. In addition, players should consider the opponent's team composition and adjust their moveset accordingly. For example, if the opponent has a team with high health, a moveset with high damage and burst potential would be more effective. Another key concept is the importance of utility moves, such as healing, shielding, and crowd control. These moves can turn the tide of battle in favor of the player and provide a significant advantage. To create an effective moveset, players should experiment with different combinations and test them in various game modes, including PvP and PvE. This will help identify the strengths and weaknesses of each moveset and make necessary adjustments. By following these best practices, players can create powerful movesets that enhance their Axie's abilities and increase their chances of success in the game. Remember to stay flexible and adapt to the ever-changing meta, as new updates and balance changes can impact the effectiveness of certain movesets. Ultimately, mastering Axie Infinity requires a deep understanding of the game mechanics, as well as the ability to adapt and evolve strategies over time. By focusing on creating effective movesets and continually improving gameplay, players can achieve success and dominate the competition.